So what's up guys, we're back again this week. This is Monday, March 24th. It's 51 a.m. It's been long I woke up. So let's just get straight to it. So I added a limit order on my account yesterday. Yes, on Sunday you can do it on C-Trader. So currently now this is the trade I'm in currently on Euro USD. I'm currently in this trade. So we'll see how it goes in one of my 25k accounts. So I think if this trade hits my target, I'm out of drawdown. Yes, I'm 5% in drawdown on this account. 5% in drawdown. So what I'm doing is this thing is just like I treat it like a game or a business or an investment. If I make a loss, you must. It's not just because you're a profitable trader doesn't mean you're gonna pass all your accounts in one sitting. No. Some accounts you will still lose some. You will still make some. One is once you make the accounts you make, you just have to make sure you make sure that you're not losing the account, you're actually making payouts from it. Yeah, so this is the account I'm in currently, the trade I'm in. So I raised 2% even while in drawdown. It take profit will get me out of drawdown. Back to the charts. KJPY, I like the movement, but I want price to retrace very well, deeply, very well, so that I just aim for my 2.5 hour. And then, so this is what I'm waiting for. I don't really expect it to trade to that level, but the reason I'm expecting it to come down very well is that if I use this candle as the other block, if I use this candle now as the other block, you will see that the movement for price to hit my 12 hour is very high. I don't think it may take this week is enough to hit that target. So I'm not really do the whole thing. You understand? So that's it on the Euro USD trade, on the KJPY's movement. Now on USD CHF, nothing spectacular I'm looking for. I'm still waiting for some kind of movement, retracement, nothing there. SJPY, want to see this kind of movement. Drop down here and then a continuation to the upside. Well, I don't think it's gonna get down to this level, but this is my best case scenario. Yeah. So that's gonna be it till outside. We'll see the update later. So what's up guys, we're back again. I'm trying to keep this short and direct to the point. So from what we said, market nearly stopped me out multiple times. Like if you look here, you can see market moves multiple times to my stop loss, but the later reversed. So we're so close to TP yesterday, so I'm still waiting to see if we'll have this move to the downside. Take out the liquidity drop. What I'm saying here is prices retesting to other block here. So we should expect price to trade down to the downside from there. So while at that, I still took other trades. Yes, I missed this trade. It pained me a lot. I missed it, but it is what it is. Here's the CHF. Here's the CHF is just giving me headache. No. He wanted to take me out multiple times. Like here you see the movement to the downside. Look at my stop loss. Then later reversed. Went up, now it's backing. This HF is just giving me headache, I'm not gonna lie. So anyway, that's it. Okay, yeah. The last trade I took was NZD. Yes, it's not part of my pairs, I just traded it. NZD. I tried there yesterday. Funnel Pips released my account. So when I mean release, like they finally onboarded the account because it was migrating from C-Trader to MT5. So and those was my live accounts there. So it was an account that I wanted to trade this week because I would have made payout with it last week. So that is the account I use. I'm waiting for a short-term move to the downside from here. I'm expecting. So it's not going to be a big payout, but payout is payout. So I'm going to keep you updated. And by the way, today is Tuesday, March March 25. So that's it. So peace out, guys. So morning, guys. We're back again. That's it. So currently now on Euro USD, we see market moved in my favor, and then later, this is DXY. So this is the movement here. Like we're finally heading to TP. I have put my stop loss to break even above this high here, this high. So we'll see how market goes for tomorrow. I'm just giving it straight to the point. I'll extend this. So this is my focus down there. Then KJPY, I did not trade KJPY, but I did trade USDCHF. Have been bouncing, but when it was down here, I was able to place another entry and then another position out there on my second account. And that I'm going to show you. So USDJPY, I traded USDJPY. I placed two positions. I placed one here on this first one, you can see, and then on the second one somewhere there. So currently this is my target up there. So I think with this move I will be able to make a payout. Yes. Then I think that's it. Let me show you trades. You have this. As you can see, this is the $49,000 account. We go to the trade charts. You can see trade. I don't really know how this thing works here. But anyway, the charts, you can see it right there. But this is for the USDCHF. Then I'm going to expand this full screen. Now it's better. You can see it on the 25k account, the one that is for payouts. I'm trading my USD JPY on. You can see USD JPY, $156 as of now. Let me show you the charts. Quotes USD JPY. You can see it. USD JPY. On my MT4, I'm also trading it on my 100k account. So I'm waiting for a move, but for me, I'm waiting for $250 here. Once it gets to $250 something, then I think I'll just exit. That will be payout number one made. Let me shift my stop. The level 300. Well, this high is how many though? 279. I'm gonna take that, modify. So that will be my 2.5 hour there above that high. So that will be it on this one. Okay, that's the only two accounts. This one I didn't check. Okay, yeah. Okay, no, I didn't make a trade on this one. I made a mistake here somewhere. I wanted to play. I didn't want to trade on this pair. I wanted to trade on a different pair. So mistakenly, I went to go and open a position on this pair, and with a large size. That's what caused this loss. What is it? I think yes, this year this HF loss. It was meant to be on a different account, so by mistake. But anyways, no problem. That is it. Back at the charts. So I'm just gonna sit back and see how price keeps working on this. So for me, I hope currently price will hit my take profit on Euro USD, because if most price does that, I'm gonna be out of drawdown on Euro USD. It's gonna be a complete movement to the opposite side. Oh yeah, Euro USD is on C trader. So you can see this is Euro USD. So it's $820. I'm down almost 4.something%. I'm up now. It's only like 2% now to be out of drawdown. So you can see stop loss above the high. So I'm just sitting back and watching till price hit my target. My target is $1,122. So you can see. It's $1,251. So that's my target, and that's what I'm aiming for, to get me out out of drawdown from my 25k account. So I decided to stop playing it nice and just take the risk, stop playing. So this is it. So I'm gonna share an update and see how pricing goes this week. Hopefully the week favors me so that I have a payout and bless myself. So without further ado, that is gonna be the end of everything, the end of it. Till I will show you to wait for the next update. Yeah, so for now, bye. So just an update on the markets. So Euro USD hit our take profits. As you can see, still heading downwards. Yeah, I tried to look for another entry, but don't know how I feel. So it hit our take profits. CAD JPY, USD CHF is still moving gradually, but I think once price move, I'm gonna put my stop loss below this swing here. Yeah, once it manages to close only above this, I'll put my stop loss just above. Once it goes above this, then I'll put my stop loss right there. Just shift it from this level and that is reducing the risk. So that's gonna be USD JPY. USD oh my days. USD I'm currently aiming for a small movement above this level. Just go up a bit and I'll be able to exit. Market is just stressing me so much. Like, let me show you stuff in the MT5. Look, as you can see, what I'm aiming for currently is just here, just a small movement above the high, a small movement above this high, just somewhere here. I think should be okay. It should have gotten to the required amount that I need. Market is just stressing me like it's crazy. But anyways, one trade down. Let's see how the rest goes. Oh, and I'm from at break even, so I'm not risking anything on the trade except USD CHF. That is the only pair that my risk is on. So that's gonna be it. See, it's already 7:30 p.m. Let's see how it goes, Sean. So I have just successfully exited the USD JPY trade. Oh bro, the trade was stressful. Like my days. It took days. Literally, let me show you. Go to 1 day time frame. Look at this. And I showed day before yesterday on what's it called? Today is Thursday, Wednesday. This is Tuesday. On Tuesday, it took a very long time. Market will just go above this. Market wants to frustrate my life. I'm not kidding, guys. Want to frustrate my life. But anyway, the rule is you have to make 250, not just 250, like 1%. 1% of 25k is $250 to secure a payout. So $250 has been made. So this is what I'm going to use to secure my payout. You understand? On this on 25k account. My other account, what is it? This one, $202, but it's on a different pair. Let me show you charts. You can see USD CHF has been eating my head. I'm telling you, thing is just like it is. It's extremely tiring. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just waiting. Let's get to 49,700. I'll just exit. It's almost there. I'll just exit. Let me show you guys. That I mean, bulk operation. Yes, blah blah blah. Accept. What is it? lock operation, close operation. Once I get to this thing, 682. The time you will reach, do this thing, let us call it a quit, because you want to frustrate my life. You have been. And the funny thing is now, let it not be so when I will exit this trade, that market will start moving. I will weep. Let me check the 4-hour time window on this trade. Just look at this movement. Price is just frustrating. Like, it will go up, come down, go up, come down. On the number of days on this pace, this is when I entered. What's wrong? On the daily, you can look. I entered here. This is Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and this is Monday. I entered on Monday. This one currently, this one Monday, and then I entered on Tuesday again. We'll reach, we'll come down. We'll reach Wednesday. I don't know what will. No, let me just let this thing be. Let the trade be, and then see what market does. Let me just leave it. So that's how it's gonna be, guys. I want to update you on how this thing went, but this is my 50k account. Currently like 1% drawdown, 1 point something percent, 1.04 I think. So this trade was supposed to take me out from drawdown. There's news coming. Let's see what the news will do. So that's it.